Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. So guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own Chicago famous Superdawg. It's going to be the world famous Chicago Superdawg. Alright, so here, this is what I got here. I got some red hot beef franks right here. Alright, now if you see that somewhere in the store, you can get it. If you don't see that, you can get you some Viennas. Alright, now you can get that at Walmart. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Now these pickles right here I got from Costco's. These are Vienna all day. Alright. So here's the pickles. These kosher pickles. Right here is pickled green tomatoes right here. And these are yellow onions right here. You use white or yellow, all right? This is neon relish. I don't know what to tell you on that if you somewhere else, but this is by Vienna's as well. You can use, I guess, any other type of relish, but you know, it do have a different taste to it. These are sports peppers. You're gonna need some of those. And you're gonna need some mustard, yellow mustard, okay? No Dijon, none of that stuff. Now, I do have a video and I will leave a link over here to my Chicago, authentic Chicago dogs. But these Superdawgs are supposed to be the best in Chicago. You're going to need you some of these poppy seed buns right here. All right. And we're just going to go ahead and boil these up. This is only going to take about 15 minutes to boil these up. All right. Now I normally typically put mine in the oven and let mine roast up like that. But I'm going to go ahead and put mine in some water today. Alright, so saying that to say this, I'll see you guys in a minute when I get done with these hot dogs and we put these bad boys together. And also we're gonna have some fries with this too. Alright, now, alright, see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, those are the hot dogs right there. As you're pulling up, you gotta remember the hot dogs are pretty much cooked anyway. We do want them to be hot, so let you know. Alright, in about 2 to 3 minutes, then I'll turn those off and we'll set it up. I just wanted you guys to see what I'm doing. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Let's go ahead and start putting these Superdawgs together. Here's my hot dogs right here. Gonna put these in here. I'm doing a step-by-step how they would do it in Chicago. Just like so. Then we're gonna come in with our mustard. Just like that. Then we're going to come in with some neon relish. About a teaspoon of that. Give it so. Okay. Come in with our onions. Gonna come in with our pickle. Okay guys, camera shut off for me. I just came in with my pickles and I gotta come in with some sports peppers and that should be it. Get 2 of those. many as you want on yours. Alright, as you can see, I put some more stuff back here, but that's how you make a Superdawg right there. So I'll be right back because I'm gonna put my fries on here as well. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm finally done with this iconic dish. This is called a Superdawg, the best in Chicago. It's supposed to be. Okay, now I have not tasted this before, but I'm going to taste mine, and I'm gonna see what it do. But anyway, but that's how you make the Chicago Superdawg, right there. Here's the fries right here. They gotta be crispy and all that good stuff. So, but if you guys like this video, give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love.